Yo, what's going on, everyone? In the shop, doing a cleaning and bearing install on a Shimano SLX DC. Takes two bearings, so I've got the two 310-4, 310-4. One goes here, one goes under this DC plate. So we gotta take them apart, but I'm gonna take the seals off with a hook real quick. Again, I just do it because the orange seals are rubber and they can tend to swell with humidity, water, all that kind of stuff, with all the heat. Put 1 drop of oil per bearing. Good to go. Take this guy off. There's a little clip here, so I've got tweezers. To pop the clip. Take the bearing off. Put the new clip in, or the new bearing in. Put the clip. Put the cap back on. Might add just a little bit of oil on the rubber seal just to keep it lubricated so it won't dry rot. There's that guy. This guy's a little trickier. It's got 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. All different sizes. Drop one down. I like to keep them in the same place as when they came off. This one's tough because it's thick. Set that guy, flip it over gently. And then you've got this plate you gotta slide. It's not too bad, I just gotta pop it out. And you've got the shim. And you've got this rubber. And it should just pop out. Got the washer that goes in there. And you just reverse the steps. Get that guy out of there. Put the rubber back on there. This just keeps the metal plate centered. Put the shim in. And then you should be able to slide the plate back in. There you go. Hopefully. Center it back on. Put the screw on. Put the other screw back on. This guy's a little tough, so I'm gonna give him a little bit of oil just to Alright, so that's back on. So now I gotta put the handle back on. Keep that click plate in there. Be careful you don't let that go, or you're gonna lose the clicker and the spring. So make sure you do not lose it. or you'll be searching all over your shop or wherever you're at. Tighten this guy back up. See if this plate will fit. There it goes. Spool back on. Put a little oil on the edge. A little bit of grease. And there you go. Lock it back up. Put this guy on like 1. And that is how you install the bearings on an SLX DC. I've got bearings in stock. I've got more coming. So if you need bearings, I've got the absolute best pricing on Bocas. So hit me up and smash that thumbs up, guys. I appreciate it. Just another real bearing install. I just did another lose, so should be good to go. Smash it. Post down below. Have a good one, guys.